This video shows you how to create separate workspaces in EasyBilling for managing documents in different companies. First, go to Menu File and switch Workspace. A pop-up window will show all available workspaces. To create a new workspace, click on the Add button. In the pop-up dialog, enter a name for the new workspace, such as your company name. You need to provide an empty folder to store your data. Click the Browse button and select an empty folder. You may choose to start with a clean workspace or select Copy to duplicate data and settings from another workspace. Click the Save button to create the new workspace. To switch workspace, select the desired one and click Switch Workspace button. It will close the current workspace and open the selected one. You may check the workspace name in the title bar. With Workspaces, you can now handle documents for different companies separately. Thank you for watching this tutorial.